Tama. He says that even on your worst day on job, you still serve children's best. So, yun lang. Ah, every time you have as a teacher, if you live on your own and go to school, you should conquer all your problems, uh, any personal matter regarding to your life. Mas, you should conquer it. Hindi ka naman magtuturo ng estudyante kung puno ka ng problema sa buhay. In Henry's book, Adams, a teacher of eternity, he can never ever misinfluence us. Tulad ng last time na Dennis, three letter from Dennis, as a teacher, hindi estudyante, kapag na-discover ka niya, hindi mo alam kung hanggang kailan ka niya gugustuhin, o kung kailan ka niya, halimbawa, ngayon, teacher ka niya, bukas siguro, mga nakangiti, parang gano'n. Parang hindi ka lang you have to engrave something to your student. Foundational moral principles from the Latin principle, a beginning, a source. Which moral, it means the moral, it where it came from. Ang ethics, ikaw nga, how it will, parang ugali ng tao na kung paano kami told ng parents mo, and being a teacher, how you going to polish, paano mo siya mapapa-implant.
So when there is a beginning or a source, kapag yung tao may prinsipyo, kahit ano mangyari, babalik at babalik, hindi niya gagawin kasi may prinsipyo siya. Babalik at babalik. Additional lang dun sa even on your worst day on the job, you are still some children's best hope. Kahit kung gano'n ka sama pakiramdam mo, gano'n pangit ang araw mo, wala kang karapatan, or hindi mo pwede ipakita yun sa mga estudyante mo. Because they are still going to be thankful. Proceed.
And the morality is differentiate in how you going to act in a wrong manner or a good manner. Morality refers to the quality of human act by which we call them right or wrong, good or evil. Ika nga, naituro ng being molded by your parents, kung lumaki ka sa isang area na puro away, puro gulo, siguro dala-dala mo yun. And even your teacher taught you good things, meron pa rin mga bagay na lalabas yung may maling, hindi naman mali, may pangit lang. Moral, it's, andyan yung manner, character, and proper behavior. Tapos, ika nga sabi nga nila, ang ethics ng tao, sabi sa akin ang ethics ng tao, hindi mo mababago yan eh. Hindi mo siya masasabi na baguhin mo yun. Siguro, may iwasan ka lang mga malibagay, pero hindi lahat. On my own experience, I do a lot of lies.
Your wife?
Not on my wife. On my work. Every day of my life, almost, I'll always make lie. For me to do, no, not to look good, but for me to save a person, as kasama, white lie. Hindi, actually, sabi mo white lie, I don't believe on white lie. Because it is a lie. Still, even you think as person, it is a lie. Yes.
There's no such thing as white lies, people. That is still a lie.
Yes. Big a lie. And for me,
What
that
kind of
also,
job do you have? What kind of job?
I do work in financing company. So sometimes I have to
Pinagpapautang.
even the person, you are good, you are good payer, but I will go to, sorry ma'am, you are not able to get along again. But hindi mo sabi mo na, but ano ka, okay? For you, for comfort, for the comfort ng
Tsaka
isang tao.
very customers.
Lalo din naman may mga customer na makukulit. Sobrang kulit. Kung akala nila tama na yung ginagagawin mo.
What is that, a bank?
Private financing.
Lending.
Lending. Actually, they are covered on SSNA. Pag-ibig, we don't know in pag-ibig. I have a lot of love. Yeah. Sabi na, we have a lot of golden rules. Which is the do good, don't do to others. Oh.
So that you want to others, what you want others to want to you. That's the negative one. If there's a positive one, you want to others what you want others to do.
Kaya nga, sabi nga nila sa morality, kasama namin it may become good or bad. Hindi lagi siyang tama, hindi siya lagi. Okay. And, a principle that is on something based, founded, originated, initiated, it is linked to the foundation of a building upon which all over parts stand. Ika nga your attitude, sa attitude ng tao, yun ang panindigan mo sa buhay. Hindi mo siya pwedeng lagyan. It is your attitude. And that principle, therefore, the foundational moral principles, therefore, the universe norms upon which all other principles on the right or wrongness, all an action are based. Even you do, ikaw nga sa, ito, shaping the, if you become a teacher, shaping students, parang napakahirap gawin sa hard stuff. Kasi hindi mo naman tuturo hindi niya naman makukuha lahat ng mga magagandang bagay na pwede mo. Kasi meron na siyang nakagaling sa isip niya na this is what I do, this is the right thing to do. As a teacher nga, di ba? Ito lang yun eh. Pag nagturo ka ng bagay na sa isang tao, siguraduhin mo lang na yung tuturo mo, ilalagay niya sa utak niya, sa puso niya. Kaya nga, kapag, halimbawa kung ako naging teacher, I always carry, good vibe and a pure heart. If there's something you have to add, please say so. Comment, reaction, no-free violent reaction. Any question?
You have to explain about the meaning of morality, right? Which is the quality of human act. My question is, how can you say so that morality is not applicable to you?
Well, yun. Morality.
Morality.
Morality is
Well, for humans lang. Bakit for you?
bakit daw po yung
You will not act as a beast. Nabasa ko nga dyan eh. Kasi nga sa yung mga ano ba yung mga animals, they do things to their environment. Yung instinct nila, tayo mga tao, may mga instinct, pero hindi yung instinct na katulad nga sa animals nga, nung nabasa ko dyan, yung nabasa ko, on sexual matter, any animals do it beside ways, pwede pati, tayo naman mga tao, pwede rin yata.
tinatawag ko ba?
Siyempre, yung pinipilitan mo. Pero minsan, kinikwento na lang natin.
Kasi nga diba, morality is the goodness man the bad. So just humans lang po ang pwede. And we are taught, tayo natuwa kung yung tama. Based on
Kasi
the
sa animals, kasi
principles.
sa places sa animals, iba,
Saan mo
hindi
si
nila alam kung ano yung mali.
Go towards the but you can train them in the
They tend to buy. Okay na. That's all guys. Thank you for your cooperation and listening.
What's next?